Hello, YouTube, Discord people. It's East Wayne with Chris here with another pickup. This is the last big pickup of 2016. It's probably going to be the last pickup also of 2016, but you never know. I'm not really, I'm pretty well rigged up, and I don't see myself needing anything outside of the sales that'll come after Christmas anyway, and that's going to be on the 26th. So I just want to, first of all, I just want to thank very much the person who had access to a pretty nice deal and was able to hook me up. This is, I'm not going to name names on a public channel, but you know who you are. You're awesome. Also want to thank the people who helped me out with sizing. I made it up to New York. Actually got to go to the Rick Owens store, which is pretty cool. They were picked thin. There wasn't very much left because they're between seasons. But it's a really stylish store. People were laid back, and I learned something, that Rick Owens sizing is actually more confusing than I thought. I tried on some size 45 Rick boots, which I thought were going to fit me, and I tried on some size 44 boots, and I couldn't even fit my foot into the size 44 boots, or so I thought, until I was advised by people who really know how the fit for this stuff works, to just kind of make the foot go in and just pull it on like wicked hard. And then I realized that I fit a 44. So what I'm unboxing right now are Yes Creepers. And I don't want to wreck this Farfetch box. And they are size 44 creepers. Now someone else pointed out to me after the fact that, whoa, look at this. Oh, it's wrapped. Yes, someone else pointed out to me after the fact that I never stood up and walked around in the shoes, so I'm still not sure that they fit. So there's just really traps within traps when you deal with Rick Owens sizing. It's kind of like chess. But oh, I have faith. Oh, Rick Owens box. Yeah, always nice seeing a Rick Owens box. This is a big one too. You lift it up, let it just kind of slide on out. Rick Owens time. It's Rick time. It's oh yes, Rick Owens bag. This is a Rick Owens shoe bag, and where the Rick Owens shoe bag goes, can the Rick Owens boots be far behind? Oh, this is nice leather. Oh, it smells so good. New leather smell. And these are probably gonna fit me. I mean, I tried somebody else's on who had this 44, so it should fit. So let's, actually, I never do a really good unboxing because I always just like, I never show. Okay, so here, let's go up close. First of all, we got that, what's it called, sawtooth Rick thing going on in the sole. We got the LCW, this really nice soft leather. We got zip. This zips up and it snaps up at the top. So let's just pull this onto the left foot. Zip it all the heck the way down. And of course it feels like it doesn't fit, but you give it a pull and on it goes. You zip it. You snap it. Hell yeah. You know, let's have an action shot here. Let me putting these on. Yes. Now, if the left one fit easily, the right one's going to fit wicked. I wonder if I could have fit a 43. Don't matter, because this looks fine. I'm going to wear these to work and everything. Oh, yank, in it. Oh, yes. Now, person's right. I still haven't tried these on. I mean, I still haven't walked around in these, so, oh yeah, these are perfect. Oh, dude, these are, oh my God, dude, I joined Creeper Gang. I joined Creeper Gang in my crops with my alpaca sweater, and yeah, dude, word up. So, thank you very much to my Discord people for both helping to hook this up and for educating me on Rick sizing. I'd be flopping around in size 45s and thinking I had a perfect fit were it not for y'all. Creeper Gang, Creeper Gang, Creeper Gang. All right, East Wayne with Chris, over and out.